Hello, welcome to today's educational video tutorial on how to transfer ChainLink, that is link, from a crypto exchange to your Tangem hardware wallet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to move link from a crypto exchange to your Tangem hardware wallet within just a few minutes. If today is the first time we're meeting, hi, I'm Blumino Morin, your trusted money coach. Follow me on all social media platforms for more educational content on investing in personal finance. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. Thank you so much for your support. Let's jump right in. How to transfer ChainLink, that is link, from a crypto exchange to your Tangem hardware wallet. Today's video tutorial is going to be demonstrated right on my phone. You can follow the same process if you're performing a similar transaction on your laptop or desktop. It follows the same logic. Step 1, log into your preferred crypto exchange. For example, Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, KuCoin, NDAX. So if you reside in Canada, NDAX is one of the top crypto exchanges. If you don't have an account, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to access the website. Personally, I use NDAX, and for today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer ChainLink from NDAX to your Tangem hardware wallet. So go ahead and log into NDAX. So once you're logged in, just come to the second button on the lower left. So that's your wallet. Click on it. So this shows me my wallet amount. So it shows that I have $21 here. But if you look at the center here, you can see that we have two tabs. That's crypto and fiat. I'm going to click on the fiat tab for me to know how much cash that I have. So you can see here, I have about $9 Canadian. So I'm going to use some of these $9 to buy some link. So what I'm going to do, just go back to the home button. So that's the first button on the lower left. Then at the search bar right on top, we're going to search for link. So click on ChainLink. So we can see here that one ChainLink is about 20 Canadian dollars. I'm just going to click on buy. And I'm going to select right here. You can see that it says buy or sell. Then right underneath, you can see it says market. Market just simply means I want to buy it at this current price. If, for example, you want to buy it at a particular price, you can just click on the drop down and you can select limit. But for this tutorial, I just want to buy it right away. So I'm going to click on market. Then right under that, you can see that it says order size. That's where you're going to enter the quantity of ChainLink that you want to buy. Or you can enter the order value. As you can see here, the quantity, that's the order size. Or you can just enter the value, order value, that's the Canadian value. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on the order value. And I'm going to enter that I want to just buy ChainLink worth $9. Okay. Or I can just say I want to use all the link or all the Canadian dollars in my account, which is about $9 and some cents. So I'm going to click on 100%. Then I'm going to click on buy link. Order successfully placed. So now I can go back to my home button. So click on the back arrow. So click on this back arrow. Click on it again. Then you can X out of this. Just click on the X. Now we need to send this out to our Tangem wallet. So step 2, you need to log into your Tangem app. If you don't have a Tangem wallet, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to get one. And don't forget to use my discount code BLOOMING to get 10% off your order. So go ahead and log into your Tangem app. So once you're logged into Tangem, we're going to click on manage token right at the bottom. Then I'm going to search for link. Click on ChainLink. You see the first one is ChainLink. First of all, click on the drop down arrow. So once you click on the drop down arrow, it's going to show you all the different networks that you can send ChainLink via. Okay. So, but for the purpose of this tutorial, the way I usually do this, I go back to the crypto exchange and I check the available networks there. So let's go back into NDAX. Click on the second button to your left at the bottom. Click on crypto. Click on link. Click on withdraw. Now, here you can see that it gives us two options. You can send it via Ethereum, that's the ERC20, and it's going to cost you 0.35 links, which is about $7 Canadian. Or you can send it via the Binance Smart Chain, which is going to be about 0.099 link, which is about $2, right? So I'm going to go with the BEP20 because that is cheaper. Okay, so since we have BEP20 here on index, then I can go back to ChainLink and I'm just going to select the BEP20, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to slide this to the right because that's a cheaper one, right? Depending on the available network on your crypto exchange. So I'm going to click on Save Changes. So once you click on Save Changes, right at the bottom, you can see that I already added ChainLink. So now we need to get our wallet address. So click on ChainLink right in your Tangem Wallet. So now we're going to click on Receive. So click on the Receive button. Now it shows me my wallet address. So click on Copy. Address copied to clipboard. So now I'm going to go back to my index account. And right here, I'm going to select the BEP20 because that's the address that I just activated on my Tangem wallet. So click on BEP20. So next, I'm going to paste the wallet address here where it says link wallet address. I'm going to paste it. Now, right under send link, you can see it says 0. So I'm going to click there and I'm going to say I want to send 100% of what I have. Then I'm going to click on confirm. Okay. Now I'm going to enter my verification code. Now I'm going to confirm the withdrawal from my email. So withdraw confirmation success. I'm going to close out of this. So we're going to wait for a few minutes for that transaction to be processed. And while we're waiting for the transaction to be processed, if you found this video tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and also leave me a comment below. If you also want me to do an educational video on any coin or token, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to consider that, okay? So thank you. And also don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your order if you're going to be getting a Tangem wallet. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So now you can log back into your Tangem wallet to see if the ChainLink that we sent from NDAX is now in our wallet. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit and you can see right at the bottom that the ChainLink that we just sent from NDAX is now in our wallet. So we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. And also leave me a comment below. Until then, I'm Blooming, your trusted money coach. Bye-bye.